Thank you for reviewing Module 3. Let's take a look at the instructor to-do list in the Facilitator notebook for Module 3. So from my table of contents, I'm going to scroll down to Module 3 and find that to-do list. The to-do list for all of the modules is always that third column. So let's kind of walk through what that to-do list looks like for Module 3. So lesson 1, you've got 3 things that really need your attention: the card sort activity, the lesson 1 content connection quiz, and then you do have a learning task for unit 6, the situation structure submission that you need to review. Lesson 2 includes a submission for the base 10 problem analysis and a content connection quiz. Lesson 3 has a submission regarding which to use scalar or functional. And then lesson 4, I'd like to stop for a minute and bring our attention to some of the things here. So we have a reflection to review, but we also have 3.4.7 that we need to take a look at. In 3.4.7, this is the string around the Earth activity. So in the module, as you have seen, they cut out their circle, measured their string, and gave some data. So that data we're going to revisit on the live session day. So you need to download their data from Canvas and put it in a way that's presentable to your class so they can see those trends in that data. That can be in a spreadsheet that you present. That can be on a piece of chart paper with the data points. That can be on a PowerPoint slide. Make sure that folks can see that data clear enough to be able to see the trend data. And then you also want to make sure that they're bringing their string and their circle to the live session because you're going to go a little deeper with that activity. Lesson 4 also includes the Unit 7 Painting Walls Learning Task submission. Lesson 5, you have 1 content connection quiz to review. And Lesson 6, you have a reflection submission to review. So after you have reviewed all of these things in this instructor to-do list, and your participants have completed them, they are ready to be invited to your live session. So for your live session for day 3, the next part of the Facilitator manual tells you exactly what you need to do. So you have your day 3 information, you have your links to your PowerPoints and your instructor notes, and then you also have materials that are needed for day 3. So after day 3, they still have Module 4 to complete in Canvas. And we'll talk about Module 4 after you take a look at Module 4.